Hello, and finally at this step we're going to render something to our front end. So let's begin. We want to display our social share right under the short description, but as you may see, all this block is located in product action component. So first of all, we're going to plug in into the product action container MapStateToProps, because usually there is we extract the Redux store in containers. So let's do that. For that we need to create a file, product action container MapStateToProps plugin. Let's do that, and let's copy paste content from here. Basically what we are doing, we are plugging into MapStateToProps, extracting the state from the arguments, and binding our social share Redux reducer social share object to social share object prototype in product action container, which going to be passed to the component. So next we're going to plug in into product action component. For that we need to create a file, product action component.plugin, and copy paste this one and paste here, and Ctrl L, chunk. Oh no, it's not SLint correct, but okay, I'll fix SLint afterwards. What we're doing here, we importing social share component, which we don't have right now, but we will create it in a short time. We are plug into the render short description. We're displaying the original content of this method, and downwards we're displaying our rendering our social share. And what we are doing, we are destructing the prototype. Here we are passing props right to our render social share method, and from this we're destructing these props and collecting all necessary data that we want to collect, and additionally product name. So if the social share is disabled, we don't want to render it, and also if the product page is disabled, we don't want to render it. And then we just wrapping everything into section as it is done in original component, and we importing suspense just to improve our performance. Here we have social share, to which we are adding our values as component prototypes. Yeah, and let's proceed further. What we need to do, most likely we need to create a social share component. For that, as it's written, we need to navigate to social share extension and execute the following command. Let's do that. I will put video here. So let's go to packages, most likely it's ScandiPWA social share, and let's execute the command provided. Okay, some errors appeared, but maybe it's known. It's even not an error. So let's go and check if the component is created. Yeah, we have a component and social share component, and let's modify our render method like so. Boom, let's save it. And now we need to restart our front end, so changes will take effect, mainly our new plugins. We can exit. Then building. Here we have a prototypes which we also need to implement, and here is some basic imports, which is importing pure component, and the style here it's also empty. And Samus build. Let's refresh the page, and hopefully we will see this beautiful string right behind the description. And boom, here it is. So see you in next video.